Hi, I'm Corin Holloway. I'm Vice President Activities for the Students' Union, SUSU. So I'm in charge of trying to help students make friends, join activities and societies that do similar to things to them, and help with volunteering and other experience like that. At SUSU we have around 300 different societies and sports clubs, so there'll be some sort of niche for anything you're interested in. So usually we would have like a freshers fair and a societies fair at the start of the year, but we can't do that because having several thousand people on campus at once just isn't safe. So to help keep you safe and to help you kind of find fun things to do, we're going to help move that online and talk to societies to get them to move all their things online so that there's as much kind of virtual events you can get into as possible.
Hi, I'm on this year's committee for the Southampton University Ballroom and Latin Dance Society.
Hi, my name is Freya. I'm the Women's Captain and President of the Ultimate Frisbee Club here at Southampton.
Hi everybody, my name is Malin and I'm the President of the University's Chamber Orchestra Society called Sinfonietta.
Hi everybody, I'm Ray and I'm the Comedy Sock President for 2020 to 2021.
Hi, I'm Susie and I am the President of Folk Sock.
Apart from dancing, of course, and competing, Subbles puts on a lot of fun socials as well. I've met a lot of fantastic fun people over this past year and fully embraced whatever it had to offer for me.
As well as all the incredible music making that goes on in our society, we also have a really strong sense of community. Each week we have socials from movie nights, dinner parties, ice skating, pub crawls, all the way to our annual Christmas ball in December.
Now we really pride ourselves on the levels of physical and mental wellbeing support that we provide to our members, whether you come along to one training session a month or you come along to all the Bucks matches and every weekend tournament. We really do just encourage people to enjoy sport and to keep active.
Comedy Society is a perfect place for you to make friends outside of your discipline and engage in something completely new, just like university should be.
This society is for anyone who wants to improve their musicianship or wants a low-level commitment and just enjoy themselves playing music. On behalf of me and my committee, I would like to welcome you to Southampton and I hope to see you soon.
As students at the University of Southampton, there's so many opportunities to get involved in creative activities. Whether you love experiencing, making music, film, visual art, theatre or literature, no matter what you're into, there's something for you, no matter what you study or how experienced you are. Also part of the University of Southampton is the John Hansard Gallery, one of the UK's leading contemporary art galleries, situated right here in the city centre. There's always something going on here with free entry to exhibitions, gigs, events, workshops and more. If filmmaking or just watching film screens is more your thing, we also have City Eye, which is conveniently located in the same building. Whether you're looking to indulge in an interest, discover something new or meet new people, Southampton and Winchester are packed full of creativity, arts and culture activities all year round. To discover more, check us out at www.southampton.ac.uk/arts.
As an international student coming from a very different country, I was stepping into unknown waters when coming here.
There are various society groups and communities in the school open for students to join. These groups also organize programs and events which help students to enrich their network, share ideas and opinion, and also to make friends.
Making friends at the university has not been a hard task, as SUSU, our student union, and the international team put forth several occasions in the form of gatherings, the international welcome dinner, parties and walks to nearest shops and shopping centres where we got to make friends coming from all around the world.